Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're about to update the Apple ID in the App Store. First, confirm your device iOS version and regional settings so purchases remain accessible. Make sure you know the current Apple ID password and have a backup of important data. This avoids lost purchases. Now open Settings or the App Store app and tap your profile icon. Once there, you'll see the signed-in Apple ID. Tap it and choose Sign Out or Manage Accounts to begin replacing it with the new credentials. Once signed out, choose Sign In and enter the new Apple ID and password. If two-factor authentication prompts, approve the code on a trusted device or enter it here. Make sure the billing address and payment method match the new account to prevent purchase errors, and review active subscriptions. Some auto-renewals stay tied to the original Apple ID unless transferred. You may be asked to merge or keep data. Decide based on whether you want contacts, reminders, and purchases associated. After signing in, confirm the App Store displays the new Apple ID and attempt a free app download to validate the change. Make sure subscription renewals and receipt emails point to the correct account. If charges appear under the old ID, you may need to transfer subscriptions or resubscribe. If you can't sign in, reset the password, check internet and VPN settings, and then contact Apple support. Provide your device serial and purchase info. That single troubleshooting step resolves most blocked updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.